Is ice cream in Mexico different than ice cream here?
Oh, yeah.
It is. Is it as sweet or no?
No, it's pretty much like the texture. And
It's different, the flavors.
Yeah.
It's flavors. For example, we have a chongos. Chongos is very popular. I'm from Michoacán, Mexico. And it's this dessert we make for 8 hours. It's sugar and milk and cinnamon, but it's really good. The texture is similar to cheese, but sweet cheese.
Sweet cheese.
It's really good. Yeah.
Or flan.
Or
People
flan,
know it
yeah.
by flan.
Yeah.
Also.
Or churro.
Or churro flavor or cinnamon roll. So pretty much every time when people come in here, it's always not the same ice cream.
Oh,
we
really?
change it up a lot. So it's not like same over and over again. The one that pretty much stays is obviously the butter pecan, the coffee, the vanilla, the chocolate,
And corn.
and corn.
Corn.
The
Tres
corn,
leches también?
Tres leches
too.
is
Yeah.
really
But
good.
the number one seller of all our ice cream is the corn.
I've never heard of it.
Yeah. The sweet corn. Yeah.
Yeah.
When we did it when we first opened up at our old location by Bulldog Park, and it was the Corn Fest. Last week was the Corn Fest here in Crown Point, and then she was like, let's do the corn, and I'm like, I don't think it's gonna sell. I don't know.
But it's my
in
favorite,
Mexico is like a huge thing out there.
Yeah.
When it hit here in Crown Point, everyone was like, can I taste it? Can I taste it? It went off the roof. It was like the best seller. And ever since, it's been there 2 years already. Yeah.
And with Tajín, it's more better.
It is.
Oh yeah. It gives a little, not spice, it's more like a kick lime to it. So it makes it more popping.
Oh, good.
You know. And people was like, what's the difference between you and everybody else?
Yeah.
Like, no, it's just different.
And Mexican
different.
recipes? Are
Mexican
these?
recipes, yeah.
Yeah.
Even though if we find new recipes out there, it's hard to find it here.
Oh.
So we gotta pretty much make
home.
our own. You know,
Go back to Mexico.
Or make our own here. You know.
Oh, yeah.